Hey y'all, it's Jazyln back with another video. I wanted to give you all a poppin' holiday makeup look that y'all can wear to your Christmas party, your New Year's Eve parties, whatever party you're going to this holiday season. But it's pretty simple, not too hard. I think it's fairly beginner friendly. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start off priming my eyes with the Gir Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. You want to blend this concealer all the way out, all the way up to your eyebrows. Alright, then I'm going to just set that concealer with the Airspun translucent powder. This stuff is bomb. It's just as good as the Laura Mercier translucent powder, just very cheap, like a whole lot cheaper. This is like $5-6 compared to like $42 that the Laura Mercier is. But you can get this at Target, Walmart. I ordered this one off Amazon because I wanted to be here like next day. So I'm just gonna set that concealer. Set my concealer with the powder. I'm gonna use a Morphe blending brush. I'll link that down below. I'm gonna go in with the into the Jacyln Hill palette for my transition color. And I'm gonna go in with the color Roxanne. That's this color right here. So I'm gonna use that in my crease with just a regular blended brush. And don't worry about if it's too much color, because you're going to pack the green shadow on top of it. I'm just going to go in one more time and do the same exact thing. Just focus it in my crease. Okay. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics 120 color palette. Y'all, this is the very first eyeshadow palette I've ever purchased. Ever. I purchased it when I went away to college. For my freshman year in college, I went away. That's when I started really getting into makeup and YouTube and everything. It's 120 shadows. It was like perfect for me because it gives you all the colors. It gives you all of these colors, 120 shade colors. You get real colorful, but you also have your nudes right here as well. I'm gonna use a BH Cosmetics blending brush. If I could find a link to that, these are old brushes. If I could find a link to it, I'll drop it down below for you all. BH Cosmetics is like a really good makeup line if you're just starting out doing makeup. Their stuff is cheap, but it's good quality for that. So I'm just gonna go in with this lighter green shade to go in my crease. This is kind of like a transition color as well, because it doesn't really show up well because it's a light green. So I'm just gonna go into my crease with that. As well as drag it down to my lash line a little bit. Like my outer corner, and drag it down to my lash line. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the shade right underneath it, which is a deeper green. This one. And pack that into my crease. So you're not really blending it into it, you're just kind of like packing it in there. And you're just gonna repeat that step again. And then I'm just gonna go in with this shade at the very bottom. It's more like a hunter forest green. And I'm just gonna pack that in my crease as well, just to give it more depth and dimension, so it's not all one shade of green. Just keep doing that until it's where I want it to be. Making sure I drag it down I'm going to use a different brush. It's still a blending brush, but it's just like a smaller one. This is by Elf. Oh yeah, Elf blending eye brush. That's what it's called. So I'm just gonna dab it into this black shadow down here. I just want to dab it and then dab back into my crease as well. So I just want to make it deepen my crease some so you can really see the cut crease. I'm just going to keep repeating that step till it's where I want it to be. Making sure I focus on my outer corner as well. Just go in with my Eyebrow Pro Concealer again in the color Fawn and just use a angled concealer brush to cut my crease. So this is the brush I'm using, and you want to be really careful and precise with this. And you want to, when you cut in your crease, you want to go above, slightly above your crease. So when you look up or you open your eyes, that you don't mess up the eyeshadow. You want to start in the inner corner of your eye. You want to just blend it down onto your lid. And I'm gonna set that with translucent powder again. Just so it doesn't crease. I'm gonna use this Glitz and Glitter primer. I got this in a little kit from my local beauty supply store. It was like gold glitter and it had the primer in there. So I just used the primer for the pigment I'm gonna use. And the pigment I'm using is Jacyln Cosmetics in the color White Gold. This stuff is so pretty. Like, her pigments are bomb, like bomb. So I'm gonna link that down below. I'm probably also link her Instagram down below so y'all can see, like, see the pigments. Like, they're so bomb. Angled concealer brush that I use to cut the crease, I'm going to use that to apply the gel primer. Apply that all over my lid where the concealer is. Now I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and apply that on top of the primer. I'm just gonna go in with the same blended brush that I use for the green shadow and just kind of blend the pigment and the green shadow together. And then I'm just gonna go back in with this the brush I use for the black eyeshadow. Dab that into the black and then dab it in the crease, just to give that crease some more definition. As well as the outer corner. Alright, and just gonna wipe away the fallout under my eye. If y'all want to see a more in-depth foundation routine, just go ahead and check out my everyday makeup routine. It will be linked in the description box below, where all the other products are listed as well. So definitely check that out. Off camera, which took freaking forever. I'm going to use the Better and Sex mascara to just blend my lashes with the falsies. Put mascara on my lower lashes. Yourself. A merry little Christmas. That's like my go-to lip combo. It's like I'm gonna do a nude eye. So I'm going to use the merry little Christmas retractable eyeliner. And then I'm just going to use MAC's Velvet Teddy on my lip. And then I'm going to use this Buxom, this little travel size Buxom pull-on lip cream in the color Dolly. I love this gloss, it's so pretty. And just put that over top of it. Like, it matches perfectly to the Velvet Teddy. And it smells so good. This was pretty simple for you all. Don't forget to check out the description box below for all the products that I use. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, tell your friends, share the video. Also, if y'all have any other video ideas that you want to see me do, or any makeup looks y'all want to see me do, let me know. Yeah, and definitely hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram, Twitter, I'll probably link that down below, or it's on at the end of this video. So yeah, follow me on there and tag me in the recreations of this look. And yeah, bye guys, love y'all.